Welcome to ProtectResidence.com channel. We wanted to talk about Ring Video Doorbell Alarm piece in this video. We're going to show you a great product. Today, every house comes equipped with a doorbell. They allow the visitors to quickly convey the message of their arrival to the inmates of the house. The residents also get aware quickly when they have a visitor. There are many types of doorbells. The conventional ones were just the calling one. But now they are replaced with a more advanced video doorbell. Earlier you would only find the very plain and straightforward calling bells which would have a very odd sound. They were gradually replaced by the ones with a musical sound. The inmates would have some dose of entertainment when somebody would ring their doorbell. But all of these were just for the sake of letting you know that you have a visitor. There was no security factor integrated within them. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 is undoubtedly one of the remarkable innovations from the brand Ring. You can keep a watch on all the events that are happening around your house. You can not only see who is knocking at your door but also communicate with them directly without even opening the door. The doorbell is equipped with amazing technologies that will allow you to connect it to your devices. Therefore there is no need to get up from your seat to see the viewer, and you can watch them nicely sitting. You can record the videos over the doorbell and even share it with others. There are many other exciting features that this video doorbell holds for you. Connect the doorbell to your devices and get all the updates throughout. You will be alerted in your device if you have any visitor. There is an automatic alert system that will appear on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can also answer the doorbell from your smartphone. If you feel there is no need to open the door, then you can conveniently talk to the person through your phone sitting in your room. You will get to enjoy this fantastic feature with this doorbell where you can directly communicate with your visitor. And to top it, you will not have to move an inch from your position. This video doorbell from Ring allows the users to hear and speak to visitors at the door directly from their device. There are an inbuilt speaker and microphone in the doorbell that makes the whole thing possible. The microphone captures your voice and transmits it to the visitor, and the speaker brings in the voice of the visitor. There is also an added benefit of noise cancellation within the system that will enable you to hear an evident and loud sound. Therefore uninterrupted conversation is guaranteed from your device without even opening the door. The manufacturer is caring enough to provide you with two faceplates that can be easily changed according to your preference. These complementary faceplates are different in color, and you can choose the one that will match with the security quotient of your property. The sensitivity of the motion detector varies from one house to another. Your home may need a higher range of sensitivity or maybe a lower one. Therefore for you, an ideal doorbell would be the one that allows adjusting the sensitivity of the sensor as per requirement. This doorbell enables the users to adjust the motion detector as required. You can easily change the sensor to a higher range or lower range as per the requirement of the security of your house. The camera of the Ring Video Doorbell 2 is loaded with the useful feature of infrared night vision. It means that you can quickly view if there is any visitor late at night. No matter how dark the night is, your doorbell's camera will provide you with a very clear vision of the exterior. You can keep a constant watch on your property at night and detect any suspicious motion that is taking place outside. This doorbell has been made with the most exceptional mechanism of rechargeable battery. You can charge the battery of the doorbell without opening it or removing it from its main position. There is a quick release battery pack that will enable you to charge the doorbell effortlessly. Your doorbell will work smoothly forever, and there will be no need for replacing the battery. You will be able to use all the functions of the product just by recharging it with the help of the battery pack. This doorbell can be connected to Alexa, which can be a very beneficial thing for the user. You can control the doorbell with your voice command through Alexa. Therefore the security of your house is made extremely smooth and easy. You can command Alexa to show the recorded videos or the live ones that are taking place outside your home. There is no need for you to operate your device to see the videos, as all can be done just with the help of a voice command. There is a fantastic app that is brought forth from the manufacturer named the Ring app. It allows the users to manage all the Ring products, including the video doorbell, Ring alarm, and all the other products very easily. This app has got multiple useful features that will allow you to explore new things with the product. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 Plus Ring Alarm 5-piece kit is meant for the top-notch security of your property. It has got some of the brilliant features that will enhance home security many fold times. You can see all the videos in very high quality and communicate with the visitors directly from your device. This video doorbell is a must-have for your house if you are looking for the right amount of security.